3 a.m.
Oops, sorry, Jimmy, not Thor.
Local law enforcement reported flash flooding across the Warren area. Between 1.5 and 3 inches of rain have fallen.
Ooh, I'm going to do something.
Rainfall amounts of
I think
0.5
you
to
see me going to
1.5
YouTube
inches are
TV. I'm
possible.
going to try something.
Hazard: flash flooding
I
caused
think
by
this channel should have
thunderstorms.
it.
Source: law enforcement reported. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways,
I'm showing
streets,
my web
and
radio and
underpasses,
everything.
as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Hamilton, Kettering, Middletown, Fairfield, Mason, Oxford, Miamisburg.
Additional rainfall amounts
There's
of
your tire radio.
0.5 to 1.5 inches are possible.
More rain.
Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms.
Ross, Kansas,
Source:
Gratis.
law enforcement
Turn
reported.
around. Don't drive
Impact:
and
flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas,
There's CT.
streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas.
of flooding.
Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Hamilton, Kettering, Middletown,
Oh, we don't copyright this on the program, but I just want to let people know.
Springboro, Monroe, Trenton, Franklin, Bellbrook, Maureen, Carlisle, South Middletown, West Carrollton, Ross, Camden, and Gratis.
I know people usually go through right time.
Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths
Yeah,
occur in vehicles.
they CT should be able on
Be
this TV
especially
for me.
cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. To report flash flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
Thursday, showers with a chance of thunderstorms in the morning, then showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Doubleheader! Doubleheader!
Dial apps today.
Hey Aaron, what are
Doubleheader! So keep the word up because it's a doubleheader possibly. Possibly on the rate on TV, I'm believing. On CT. Nope. I'm going to mute that.
What? Minor flooding is
I have
forecast.
someone I kind of
Where? Little Miami River at Spring Valley. When?
Spring Valley.
From this evening to early Friday afternoon.
Okay, we got to go to 16.
Impacts at 10 feet.
Yeah.
Corwin Road and Corwin Park are flooded. Additional details at 11 p.m. Wednesday.
Yeah, we gotta go back.
10.2 feet.
Other one. How much is this thing? $650, including
Thursday morning and is expected to remain above flood through Thursday.
Yeah, thank you for seeing. They's red for everything.
Now here is the official National Weather Service.
They're also explaining it too.
Valley of Ohio. Overnight, showers likely with
I can't
Can
so.
I just stop you there?
areas of
Oh, oops, sorry.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Unseasonably warm.
This is. I think I'm gonna show you right there.
South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain.
I didn't know I could have used Think T16,
Thursday,
but
showers with a chance of thunderstorms.
okay, let's turn you off.
Showers with a
There,
slight chance
cat.
of thunderstorms in the afternoon.
Oops.
Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rain.
Okay, there we go, and possibly more to come. All the way until Sunday, Monday or Tuesday. Who knows how long this will last.